Hey guys, today we're going to look at how you set up the sign up feature or register feature for apps. In previously with our apps, all we would have on the login screen would be an area for you to enter your email address and a password, and that would create the account for you automatically. Today we've added the ability to customize the kind of information that you're looking for from a client when they're downloading the app. So you come over here. First thing is to the Build App section in Advanced Settings. You turn on the sign up screen. Either use the sign up screen or use the login screen. So you would click if you want to sign up, use the sign up screen. You click that. If you want to keep it the way things are, you would do that. I'm going to change that for now and come back over here. So now I've added the sign up screen. So let's go to the app that I just did that for, and let's take a look at it. So the sign up screen settings are over here under login settings in the settings area. Click on that. The first screen you see here are the colors and that the first screen. Everything's pretty much labeled here. Box color, so the color on the box where you're entering your information, field text color, email label. All these things are all customizable. You can change all this stuff. You can change the password label if you want to call it special word instead of password. You can do that. The area where they enter the email, you can change that. You can say, call it whatever you want. Same thing with the sign up, guest access link. So this is the old link used to be called browse without login. Now you can call it whatever you want, guest access, skip. You can call it essentially whatever you want. And then same with the forgot password. After you've done that, come over here to sign up settings. And again, you can change the colors and whatnot over here. But here's the area where you're asking for the different types of information. So we've got first name, last name, email, password, and confirm password. Then you've got the other stuff that's in the customer profile, or gender, address, country, state, province. All these things can be customized as well. You also have the ability to add 2 custom fields. So if you want their favorite number, their favorite color, you can put whatever you want here. And by clicking this box, it makes that field available in the sign up screen, which we'll take a look at in a second. You can also have the display position over here. So if you wanted their favorite color first at the top of the screen where they're entering your information, you would put number 1 there, and it would display them in the sequence that you've outlined there. So that's how you set that up. Let's take a look at what it looks like on the mobile device. Okay, so now we're looking at the app that we just saw. So we've got the email, password, the login button, forgot password there. Here's the new sign up button. So you can call it sign up, register, whatever you want to call it. We called it sign up in this one, and then we have the guest access where gives them access to the app without having to enter any credentials. So I'm going to click the sign up button, and then you're going to see what it looks like. So first name, last name, email address, password, and confirm password. Those are the ones with the asterisks are mandatory. So you have to enter a first name. You don't have to enter a last name, email, and password. And then once you've done that, hit sign up, and it takes you into the app, and it creates the account for you. Okay, I hope that was clear. If you guys have any questions, please drop us a line.